Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters. This isn't random. You didn't just come across this message. You didn't just scroll and land here by accident. No, pause for a moment and really feel this. Out of billions of people, out of endless videos, endless distractions, endless noise, you are here. And deep down, something in your heart is telling you, this is for me. That feeling, that quiet pull inside your chest, that is not coincidence. That is qadr. That is Allah guiding your steps, even when you don't realize it. Let me ask you something. Have you been feeling lost lately? Like you're trying, but nothing is working? Like you're making dua, but the answers feel delayed? Like your heart is tired, even when your lips still say, Alhamdulillah. Maybe you've been silently fighting battles no one sees, smiling in front of people, but breaking when you're alone. Maybe there are nights when your chest feels heavy, and you don't even know why. Or maybe you do know why, but it hurts too much to even put it into words. And you've been asking yourself, Ya Allah, where are you in all of this? But what if the answer to that question is this moment right here? What if Allah brought you here not to entertain you, but to remind you, I see you, I hear you, I never left you? Because Allah doesn't abandon His servants. We might drift, we might forget, we might get lost in dunya, but Allah, He never forgets you, not once. Sometimes Allah doesn't send angels you can see. Sometimes He sends a message. At the exact moment your heart is weakest, at the exact moment you feel like giving up, at the exact moment you whisper, I can't do this anymore. That's when something appears, a reminder, a verse, a message like this, and it hits you differently, because it wasn't meant for everyone. It was meant for you. Think about it. How many times have you scrolled past countless things, but this made you stop? How many times have you ignored messages, but this made your heart feel something? That's not random. That's divine timing. Allah knows what you're going through, even the parts you never told anyone. He knows the tears you hide. He knows the prayers you repeat. He knows the pain you carry in silence. And maybe, just maybe, He wanted to remind you today, don't lose hope in me. Because your story isn't over. Your du'as are not ignored. Your patience is not wasted. Every tear is counted. Every hardship is written. Every moment of pain is seen. And Allah promises something powerful. After hardship comes ease. Not maybe, not if you're lucky. It will come. So if you're feeling broken right now, if you're tired, if you feel like you've been waiting forever, listen carefully. Allah is not late. He is never late. He is preparing something bigger than what you asked for, something better than what you imagined. But right now, He's preparing you. Because sometimes the delay isn't punishment, it's protection. Sometimes the silence isn't absence, it's a test of your trust. And sometimes the pain you're feeling right now is the very thing that will bring you closer to Allah in a way nothing else ever could. So don't scroll away thinking this was just another video. Don't ignore that feeling in your heart right now, because this moment, this reminder was written for you before you were even born. Allah knew you would be here. Allah knew you would need this, and He chose this moment to reach you. So take a deep breath and say it from your heart. Ya Allah, I trust you. Even when it's hard, even when I don't understand, even when I feel lost, I trust you. Because if this message found you, then know this. Allah is still guiding you, still watching over you, still writing something beautiful for your life. And this is only the beginning.